Already, 26 women groups from the 4 divisions of the country have been assisted by the Ministry of Women, which has funded and developed income-generating projects ranging from beekeeping, open village canteens, bread making, piggery and vegetable farming, brush cutter and field projects. So far, a total of $70,000 has been invested into income-generating projects that provides and encourages rural women in becoming sufficient.
Right now, with the Ministry for Women, we already have almost 900 women's organizations throughout the country that have registered with us. So through the organizations, we are providing training, we're providing equipment for economic empowerment of women, leadership training, and give them opportunity to revive their organizations if they are getting defunct and get them to be active. Some of them are very active already and in the development works in their own communities. So we work on the women NGOs.
Government has also recognized the work non-government organizations do in creating opportunities for rural women and has put aside $100,000 under the NGO grant that is managed by the Ministry of Women.
I would encourage the women. Firstly, is the usage of the local resources that are readily available. Even with the women that they have skills, they can also utilize the women who already have those skills to impart those skills to them so that they'll be able to earn income for their community, for their family, and also help their husbands who are out there doing some work.
Let's meet some of the women in the Central Division who have now benefited from the assistance given by government. First, we visit the women of Waikete Tokotoka in Tailevu, who in 2010 were given a punt that cost $800 for a fishing business.
Ministry. Nalamaniamba kito ngaya kito bulera talen dua talan itu boto may na ilawo nga kito rawata may na boto ya kito bulera talen dua yan nalamaniamba kingo kito sa bulera talen rua talan boto may kwarto sa di chungo na nito nga ngandre kito ben kata me kito songota ke na bisnis ni ka india kwarto ngo iki sini kito bingati ni kito bina kata me lebuna ya o me durumai na lomanikor ona ba bimbi ni lebuna ka la ba kito mai na banua na lotu gair na mara struggle to mendangair melatan ramata bubali.
Each week villagers use the punt for fishing. Rokondolo says they charge the villagers $20 a week. In a week, they would deposit $100 in their bank accounts as part of their long-term plan to set up a restaurant in Nosori in 2014.
Ni minda sanga mandanga kenda minda batorek ti kendara. Beka kito ati kubunga na sanga mol. Monthly ndona bula ndona sanga mol. Kito re ni sato sa chuma kito sange kirkir. Kito mena kazima kito sule ni ndona iwasi mengai bibu ke mena matenti kito ba bilak ni matintu sa sule sanga mendo nga nawanga ya bikito na lungu basala nga nakanga sa sul mi weekend minda me vakatak saranga na kenanga ni sala ndondonunga.
The group has a membership of more than 100 people and is now one of the main agents of change in their community. Another project funded by the Ministry of Women is the Fish Pond Project in Delaivuna, Tailevu. The group is made up of 40 women who no longer depend on their husband's income to support their families and has given them hope.
Batana bakatangin dengan dirawila boy sing sarni binak kapabila teki na namatin tu ni sulamay sana salabango ebu kay kima mikina Sanga kini ni kimna taraba ka lebni memitanga, me kime mina sanga kini metosa na song Bainimarama, kasatu sona iburu-buru bango bakata kana tumbuni malea, abana na untik tinga mena bakada ruambe kana bula maingo na susuoni. Me buke da kena sanga ina song Bainimarama me ren raw ka baka ilabo na marama, bogo sibi na nondra sanga bakati kiram eso na ngoni saleso me raw ilabo kina nondra diumata bubal.
The Ministry of Women assisted these women's groups with $4,000, and this project has empowered the women of the village.
Lebusar na kaya tu kime mingandra batu na marama, esiang ni chiko pana ni mami labo. Kwa ngora na yang ngandre ngora kire mendo ni mami tombunika, merau ni bukiana ni beika kime mingandre kire na marama, me baka sa chiko ni mami misini, chiko tala na ngandre some kime mi rakabukine ngarabukine mami palni songo. Ka kita baka minaka baka leba na matanitu, na suliamai na bibuke, na tombunika inda kuibuna.
The group started with 5,700 tilapia fish and already made their first harvest in December last year, earning around $4,000. Now they have another 5,700 tilapia fish and are hoping to harvest it in the next 6 weeks.
Itu kita langsung bisnis kita ngandra me kita banduria, ena ni miskin saja kena tombu kera ni dua talam baini toa, belete merani cikita lai buru-buru ni labo, ena lo mani song Bainimarama.
Another successful project is a poultry farm run by the Wainunu Women's Group in Wainimbuku, Naitasiri. The group was created in 2008 and was assisted by the ministry in 2011, which is running well. More than 60 women are engaged in small-scale poultry production and are attempting to enter Fiji's commercial poultry market. The aim of the poultry business is to bring about increased self-employment and income for participants involved in poultry production.
Doni wasi karo wasiana marame patro dekta kinan rembola non laku tiku main bo kamera taka kenan maro tingan netu kapten me kitu bol kan to kina.
The group started off with 50 layer bird chickens and 50 meat birds given by the ministry and has seen an increase in their earnings. Part of government's overall plan in raising the financial status of women in Fiji.
Aureda kinani nindon saranga mer faktor kita kena marama. Baleta ureda ni rangora ya butu nindon mata bubale era tu talanga veira na vakasama tu veira na nabu e binaka. Asenga ni ukai ni rasenga ni binaka naturanga batani veira rambul me merndo ni bebu keanga kau bakambote kinani yanga mer faktor kita kirna marama.
This year the Ministry of Women received a budgetary allocation of $70,000 for the development of poultry and virgin coconut oil income-generating programs, and $100,000 under non-government organization grants to assist women's groups with their income-generating program and livelihood.